It appears that there's an odd issue with the Facebook app on iPhones, where it unexpectedly makes a refresh sound. This sound occurs randomly while scrolling down the feed, even when not touching the screen. Have you experienced this too? One workaround is to switch your phone to silent mode. Another solution involves adjusting the in-app settings within Facebook. To do this, open the Facebook app and navigate to the top right corner. From there, scroll down to the bottom and select Settings and Privacy. Within the settings, scroll down further to find Preferences, and then select Media. Under the Media section, you'll find Sounds in the app. Simply toggle this off to stop the refresh sound. Some users suggest uninstalling and reinstalling the Facebook app, but many believe this issue stems from a recent update. So for now, tweaking the in-app sound settings seems to be the most effective fix. Have you tried this solution yet? It seems to have resolved the problem for many users,